Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, as you have already read in the title of this video, I wanted to kind of jump in and share a Valentine's Day haul with some items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Now, I have an upcoming class coming up in Luxe Academy on January 9th. And in that class, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to decorate a hotel room and flip like $50 into $500. So you definitely want to stay tuned for more information on that. If you would like to sign up, I will leave the link down in the description box below. And for those of you guys who, maybe the class is out of your budget right now, or whatever the case may be, I completely understand. So that's why I wanted to kind of hop in and give you guys this haul. But if you really want all the details on how to turn $50 to $100 into $500 to $1,500, definitely enroll in the class. It's only $97, and I'm going to be doing a complete room decorations from start to finish. You'll see every single thing. I'll give you contracts. I'll give you flyers for posting on your social media. All you have to do is plug in your business name and your photos. Everything you need to market this particular package for your business will be pre-done for you. Flyers, contracts, everything. Only $97. So it's definitely a steal. With that being said, let's hop into this Valentine's Day haul. So everything that I'm showing you guys right now came from the Dollar Tree. In the class, you'll see we'll be using a few things from Ross. We'll also be using some balloons from Amazon, a balloon pump, and some other things that I'll give you in the class. But everything I'm showing in this haul was 100% from the Dollar Tree. So if you're thinking about taking the class, go ahead and go to the Dollar Tree to get these items so you'll have them. First up was this little sign that says XOX. It looks like a wood sign. It has like the little shiplap board in the back. I got that one. And I also got this one that says Be Mine in the pink. Next, they had these cute little books. They never have these. They have them at Hobby Lobby. They are much more than $1. So I got this set and this set from the Dollar Tree. So I thought both of these were cute. And you'll see how we're going to use all this stuff in the class. I'm not going to show you guys before, but I'm just showing you guys the items so you can be on the lookout. I got these little hugs and kisses signs that look like mason jars. Really cute. I got 3 of those. Also from the Dollar Tree. I got this cute little Hugs and Kisses truck that says Hugs and Kisses. And wouldn't that be cute with some little Hershey Kisses, a bowl of candy, like right there with little specialty things written on the tab when you pull it out. Really cute. The next thing I got was this door hanger. I thought this would be really cute for our project. We're going to be decorating a hotel room, by the way, for the class, but you can also do this, incorporate this in a bedroom or something. But I thought this Key to My Heart was super cute for a door hanger. Really cute. All this was $1 again. If you wanted to do more of like the Valentine's Day message themes, with the little hearts, they had these hearts in the Dollar Tree in the purple, the green, the pink, and the blue. And they say different things. I don't know what you call these hearts. I can't think right now. But this is the Be Mine, the Love, and the Cutie Pie. So you can definitely take this whole little theme throughout a design. And I love this. I love this. It's a love-o-meter, and it says, I prefer my pets. I guess you'll do XOX and Be Mine. And the needle actually moves. This is my first time ever seeing something like this in a Dollar Tree. Really cool. Another thing I came across was these cute little love letter envelope things. I think these are super cute. So I did get all 3 designs, the regular red, the polka dot red. I got 2 of those. Next up, I was so shocked to find this in the Dollar Tree. And it is a gold, like the gold acrylic Happy Valentine's Day sign. This was in the Dollar Tree as well. And then our Crafter Square finally got a glue gun and glue sticks. And you're going to definitely need this. So go ahead and pick it up. Another thing you'll need for your smaller balloons for our project is the balloon pumps. These can cost $1.99 to $3.99 at Hobby Lobby or Target. But you can get these for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And I picked up 2. Another thing that I picked up was these cute little treat boxes or favorite boxes. And they have like the gold in the back and the stripe in the front. So if I went with the red and gold theme, I can definitely use these treat bags and things like that as well. So I think that concludes everything that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I think the total for all the things that I purchased was $20. And then I picked up a few other things, like I said, from Ross and from Amazon. So everything I purchased was around $50 total. But if you guys want to see how to flip it, you would definitely need to join me in my class on Lux Academy. And again, in this class, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to turn around a hotel room or a private residence bedroom or guest room or Airbnb, how to flip that for Valentine's Day, and how to add some extra money into your packages for Valentine's Day if you enjoy event planning, or if you want to get into like intimate event settings, small settings, not big things, but small intimate things you want to plan for couples or proposals, things like that. If you want to get into something like that, this class is definitely perfect for you for those reasons. And I just absolutely love like half of the stuff I've never seen at the Dollar Tree before. I'd never seen this at the Dollar Tree before. I had never seen this at the Dollar Tree before. I definitely think this is new. I had never seen these before. I think the books may have been there. I've never caught them. But y'all, these like this are in Hobby Lobby. And just imagine like how cute this would look on a nightstand or something with this little cute love, you know, on top of it. So cute. Like just little small touches. And we're going to go in and totally transform a space. Y'all going to be so amazed at how wonderful it's going to look. Y'all going to be amazed, honey. Amazed. And let me show you how to upgrade it so you can take your $50 and turn it to like $1,000 or $1,500, and you can do all the work yourself. But again, visit my class at luxacademy.podia.com to sign up. It's going to be limited seats. I am going to do a live, so I'll drop the video and all the resources, and then I'll do a live Q&A on Sunday, January 9th. And then the Q&A and the video and the resources will be available for repurchase after January 9th and beyond. So it's not like it's the only day that I'm going to do it, but January 9th is the only day you're going to be able to physically talk to me live. Other than that, it'll be a replay. So I hope you guys like this Dollar Tree haul. I can't wait for you guys to see what it turns into. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Do you hear me? I'm going to give you guys everything you need to flip your money in 2022. 2022 is the year of the triple double. We're going to get all our coins this year, you guys. And I cannot wait to inspire you and share more with you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a huge thumbs up and let me know down in the comments which item I picked up from the Dollar Tree was the biggest surprise for you. I'm telling you, because some of them definitely surprised me. So I love you guys. Stay safe. I will see you at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers! And for those of you guys who were concerned about my DIY dance floor, I did a little dance on it for you so you could see for yourself. Enjoy!